I have been saying these are the same people who honored, glorified Parrikar as the savior of Goa. Now they are saying that they took us further in the ditch. If this is the attitude, and if this is your custom, what moral right you have to guide the people to vote for a party that has not established its credentials, which is a disaster in Delhi. They have proved to be a bigger liars than BJP. They promise free electricity. They promise free water in Delhi. Chaos and confusion is going on. Because finally, the chaos between BJP and AAP, when you have an illicit relationship, it cannot be running smoothly. An illicit relationship is never able to run smoothly, and this is the tussle that is going on. Who should loot more? Who should control more? The question arises now. By their admission, I am not making any charge, I am again repeating. I have quoted them as reported. That they have been. Now you say, by your guidance, this BJP took the people of Goa into a further ditch. Now where are you leading them? To doomsday? Where are you leading them? To a point of no return? What standing do you have? You claim to be activists, and now you are projecting a Topiwala from Delhi to be a savior of Goans, whose credentials are yet to be ascertained. Whether chaos in the state, that one state that they have got,